الرجيم.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to one and all present here. I am Adil Aziz of class 6, a student of the Hifz section. On this blessed occasion from Marcus Academy, English Higher Secondary School, I would like to present the English translation of this ayat recited now. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. And your Lord has been. And your Lord, I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. And your I seek refuge.
MashaAllah. Thank you, Adil and Asif, for your wonderful recitation of Quran. এতিয়া মই আমাৰ বিদ্যালয়ৰ সন্মানীয় অধ্যক্ষ সৈয়দ আসিফ সাহেব ছাৰক তেওঁৰ আদৰণি ভাষণ আগবঢ়াবৰ বাবে অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to all present here. Respected academic in charge, sir, teachers, dear mothers, and my dear students. First and foremost, I would like to welcome you all to Markaz Academy English Higher Secondary School. Today, we are observing Mother's Day in our school. Although it is celebrated on 12th of May, this year, unfortunately, it landed on a Sunday. But keeping up with the tradition of Markaz Academy, we have decided to celebrate it today on the 13th of this month to welcome you all here. Dear mothers, it is needless to say, being a mother is a thankless job, a never-ending job, and dedicating just one day of the year to celebrate your life, to acknowledge your importance, to acknowledge your work is not sufficient. Despite that, we are making a fragile effort on our part to welcome you all here, to be present in our school, to bless our school, to bless our students, your kids, and everyone else's. Your kind presence is very much motivating for us, and we hope in the coming days we can have you here more often. Without further ado, I would like to hand over the microphone to our anchor, Shakil sir. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Principal Sir, for your valuable speech. So, আমাৰ অধ্যক্ষ ছাৰ তেখেতে এই সমাজত মাতৃৰ গুৰুত্ব আৰু এজন মাতৃক যে ছাত্ৰ বা ছাত্ৰীৰ বা এজন শিশুৰ প্ৰকৃত মাতৃ হিচাপে গণ্য কৰা হয়, প্ৰকৃত শিক্ষক হিচাপে গণ্য কৰা হয়, তাৰ বিষয়ে অলপ তেওঁ অৱগত কৰিব বিচাৰিছে। ধন্যবাদ, আসিফ ছাৰ। এতিয়া এই অনুষ্ঠানটো আগবঢ়াই নিবলৈ আজিৰ সভাৰ স্বাগতম সংগীত হিচাপে আমাৰ ক্লাছ